Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today I'm coming to show you how to create your own verified PayPal account on your phone, on your laptop, anywhere you are. You can create your own verified PayPal account without going to pay anything for anybody before you get a PayPal account. And I will also show you how to link your credit card to your PayPal account so that you can do withdrawals from your PayPal account. Many people find it difficult to link their credit card to their PayPal account because whenever they try, they'll be giving them some message that you can't use your credit card, or you can't link your credit card to your PayPal account, try another card. So I'm coming to show you how to link your own credit card or virtual card to your PayPal account so you can do withdrawals. Linking your credit card to your PayPal account, it will help you to do a withdrawal. If you have money in your PayPal account, the credit card, because you have linked your credit card to your PayPal account, it will help you to withdraw money from your PayPal account. So stay tuned and follow the steps that I'm coming to show you, because there are some countries has been blacklisted from creating PayPal accounts, and Ghana is part of those kind of country. So I'm coming to show you how to, although we have been blacklisted from creating PayPal accounts or from getting PayPal account, but we have the other way around to get a PayPal account if you are in those kind of countries that has been blacklisted from getting PayPal account. So stay tuned and follow the steps very carefully so you get your own verified PayPal account, and you can use it to do your own all online transactions without any stress. So follow me, let me show you the steps and do all your online transaction. Follow me. Let go. Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm coming to show you how to create a verified PayPal account. So please, if you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment and like as well. So let's go straight to the browser. Click on your browser, then enter paypal.com/ls. Yes, I'm using ls here. It's Lesotho. We are using Lesotho server. PayPal has created a server for every country, and some countries have been blacklisted now from the servers because of some one or two reasons, fraud issues and stuff. Some countries has been blacklisted from the server, and Ghana is part of the country that has been blacklisted of getting a PayPal account. So now, at first we were using Kenya server to create a PayPal account if you are in those countries that has been blacklisted from, but with one or two reasons we find difficult to do some withdrawals and things. So now we are using Lesotho server, and Lesotho server will help you do as much withdrawals that you want. So I'm using Lesotho server, and there's small L and small s. You have to add the small L and small s to it to help you get the Lesotho server. So you click on go. Okay, click on the menu here, and you will see down here sign up. Click on sign up. So here we have two accounts. You have personal account and business account. Please choose the business account, because if you choose the personal account, you can't do withdrawals on personal account. If only you want to send money to friends and families from the PayPal account, then you can choose the personal account. But if you want to do some withdrawals from your PayPal accounts, please choose the business account. So I'll advise you always choose the business account. So you click on the business account, then click on continue. So here enter your email address. So I'm entering mine. Please, your email must be active email. You don't have to use any email, because they will sign a message on it for you. So you have to use an active email account for this registration. then click continue and create a password for it. Your password must be very secured. You have to use some uppercase and some number symbols for your password to be strong. So you have to get a strong password by using some uppercase and symbols to it. So I'm creating my password, then click on continue. So here, enter your legal first name. You have to enter your name, your full name here. Your name must be a legal one, not your nickname, your actual name, of course. So and business name, you can use any business name. If you don't have any business name, you can also use your name here. So I'm using my business name here. So here, business phone number here, that's you are going to change it to the country that you are. You see we are having a Lesotho country code here, so you have to change the country code to the country that you are. I'm from Ghana, so here I'm choosing Ghana. I'm choosing Ghana. So you too, any country that you are, you have to change the country name or the country code to your country, your own country code. So I'm choosing Ghana here. Sometimes the network is not coming. Let me try again. Where is Ghana? Okay. So you can see I've changed it to my country code. So here you enter your number, your phone number. Because of the country code, if you're in Ghana, when you are entering your number, you have to omit the 0. Don't add 0. Just start entering your number. Yeah. So your business address, here I'm going to choose Accra. Here to Accra. And the city is here. Let me choose Accra here. And here is Greater Accra. And the postal code, Ghana, we don't have any postal, but we always use the 00233 as a postal code, and it always works for us. So when you are entering your postal code, if you are in Ghana, use 00233. That's the postal code we always use to fill our information online. And you change the currency as dollars and click here by agreeing to the terms and conditions. Agreed. So here say describe your business type. You have to choose your individual or sole proprietorship, and you come here, enter professional service. Professional services. So here it says enter your website. If you have any website, you can add it here. It is optional. If you don't have any website, you can also leave it. So I will leave it and click on continue. So here you have to fill with your information, your date of birth and stuff. So my date of birth, let me enter any date of birth here. You must fill it with your own information because I'm using it to teach you. That's why I'm using any information here. So you have to enter your date of birth and the nationality here. Here is when you are going to change from Lesotho to any country that you want. Because I'm in Ghana, here I'm going to change from Lesotho to Ghana. So any country that you are, that you have been blacklisted from using the PayPal account, because I'm doing this tutorials for you people, those countries that has been blacklisted from their server. So here I'm going to change from Lesotho to Ghana. So you click on nationality and search for your country. From Ghana, let me search for Ghana. So here is Ghana. Okay. Identity document. So you can choose any you can choose passport, driver license, national ID. I'm choosing national ID. So here, if you're in Ghana, you have to enter your voter's ID number here, or your Ghana card, any national ID number that you have. Enter it here. So yeah, I'm going to enter I'm going to enter any number here. And home address, check this box as same as business address. Click on the checkbox here to use the information that you used in the previous stage. So we are here, then you click on submit. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, that's okay. So we have created the PayPal account, but it is not verified yet. The account is not verified yet. So you click on, you come down here, you see, come down here, say confirm email address, and also link and confirm by debit or credit card. So you have to go to your email, to confirm your account. So go to your email, they will send you some message there. So me, I'm going to my email on another phone. I'm having another phone here. I don't want to use it to distract you here. So you go to your email, you see confirm your email here. So you click on confirm your email to confirm. So you are waiting for it to reflect here. I've clicked on it. And then when you click on confirm email, you have to enter the password that you created for your account. Okay, so if I've entered it, I'm waiting for it to reflect here, because I'm using another phone to confirm my email. I don't want to distract you here. Okay, so I'm done. Let me refresh this page and see. Let me refresh it for you to see. So after that, I will have to enter my PIN and log in. So you can see now the confirm email is no more here. It has left with link and confirm my debit or credit card. So many people find it difficult here, and I will show you how to confirm your credit card to your PayPal account, and that will help you to do withdrawals. Because if you haven't linked your credit card, or if you have a virtual card, so you can link it. If you haven't linked it to your PayPal account, you can't do withdrawals from your PayPal account. You have money in your PayPal account, but you can't do withdrawals from it. So you have to link your credit card to your PayPal account before you can start withdrawing money from your account. So for the PayPal account, we are done creating the PayPal account. Yeah, we are done creating the PayPal account. So for you to link your credit card to your PayPal account, I will do it in my next video. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so when I drop that video, you know how to link your credit card to your PayPal account to do withdrawals. Because that video will take long, I can't add it to this video, so I'll be posting it to be my next video. I'll be posting that video to be my next video, how to link your credit card to your PayPal account. So please subscribe, so when I drop that video, you'll be the first one to watch. Thanks, I'm out.